Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing TownePlace Suites Houston North, Shenandoah. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly, free parking, family rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. This all-suite hotel in Shenandoah is 9.9 miles from Splash Town Water Park. The hotel features an outdoor pool and suites that are furnished with fully equipped kitchens. The property is an 8-minute drive from Hughes Landing. Suites at the TownePlace Suites by Marriott Houston North, Shenandoah include free Wi-Fi and 32-inch, flat-screen cable TVs. Each suite has a work desk and separate living room with sofa bed. Houston North, Shenandoah TownePlace Suites by Marriott has a sun deck and barbecue facilities which are next to the hotel's sports court. Guests of the hotel can work out in the gym or use the business center. The Woodlands Market and Mall is 3.5 miles from the Houston TownePlace Suites. The hotel is a 9-minute drive from the Cynthia Woods-Mitchell Pavilion, an outdoor concert hall. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.